So let's talk about transition matrix modelling using the rule Sn+1 equals Tsn+B. Okay, so we've done the transition between states. Now we have this plus B. Now previously, when we haven't had the plus B, it's been what we called a closed system, meaning that, however many objects were in the system, that never changed, okay? It never changed. There was always the same number of objects, trucks, birds, whatever. But now, with this B, the number of objects increase or decrease. So, there's things introduced into the system or taken out of the system. Okay, so matrix B is usually a column matrix. So this is the full way that we'd write that, the recursion relation with the initial state matrix and then what's going on there. So let's go through an example. A school was running extra music lessons for the piano and guitar each week, with students being able to choose which extra lessons they would attend. A matrix recursion relation is used to determine the number of students expected to attend extra lessons is given by. So there we have it. So we can see the transition matrix there. Current state, or this week, next week, and then what's happening. So we can see, okay, that's minus, so it's like 8 kids are dropping out each week, aren't they? So Sn is the column matrix that lists the number of students attending in week N. So in week 1, we've got 34 kids attending piano lessons and 26 kids attending guitar lessons. So that's how many we have. Calculate the number of students who are expected to attend extra guitar lessons in week 2. So week 2 is state 2, got our transition matrix times by what was happening week 1. Then take away the kids who are going to drop out of the system. Okay, the kids who are going to be coming out of the system. So we can see 30.9, 21.1. So 21 students are expected to attend extra guitar lessons in week 2. All right. So we can see initially there was 60 kids in the system. 60 kids in the system. And now there are, if that's 31 plus 21, now that's 52 kids in the system. So 8 have dropped out. Okay. So of the students who attended extra lessons in week 2, how many are expected not to return for extra lessons in week 3? So we've got our week 2 from up here, applied the transition matrix, got our B here, take away B, and we have our week 3 result. Okay, so you can see what's happening here. So in week 2, there were 52 students. Yep, 52 students. In week 3, so 27 students had guitar, 27 had piano, and 17 had guitar. So that's 44. So 8 students, that's a drop of 8. So 8 students who attended in week 8 will not attend in week B. So remember this B represents changes in numbers to our system. Previously, we had a closed system where we had the same number from week to week, month to month, whatever it was. But now we're going to have changes to it.